Hello and welcome to Mostly Vintage Cameras. This is a fairly basic Manfrotto 3-way pen and tilt head, one of many Manfrotto tripod heads I have, and it uses this, what Manfrotto call a 200 PL quick release plate. This has been their standard quick release plate for, frankly, decades. Now, the other thing I'd like to share with you is this, my old GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Many people that are familiar with GoPro cameras will realise that this is quite an old model now. Had a lot of fun with this, but I found it the other day, the GoPro, and I thought it might be quite fun sometimes to use this on this, because I've got the two things, why wouldn't I want to use them? Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to drop this head down a little bit. There we go. Now I could use one of these handy dandy little adapter plates. You can see it has a 1/4 inch thread on the base to the standard thing here. Fairly obvious how that works. But it's a thing on a thing, and it's another connector, and it's something else that isn't quite straight, and it's not ideal. But while I was looking on eBay the other day, I found a company called Handmade 3D, and they 3D print parts like this. GoPro to Manfrotto 200 quick release plate. And this company do loads of useful 3D printed stuff. Clips for car trim panels that might have snapped, IKEA furniture, fancy vacuum cleaners, lots of things that have small plastic parts that might have broken. They do little 3D printed things for. Now you do have to find your own screw. I'm making a bit of a mess of this. And your own nut. I think most people have probably got a GoPro, got plenty of these. And there we go. Now I can mount my GoPro directly onto a Manfrotto tripod without any additional adapters or screws or bits and bobs. Works pretty well. I'll put a link in the description. I don't get any commission or anything for this. I just thought that these particular products, they make other things as well, but I thought these particular products were useful and might be of interest to somebody. And they also make things like this handy dandy accessory shoe mount, which you see on so many YouTube POV type photographs or videos. So that's really quite nifty. Anyway, for now, I hope this has been of use to somebody or of interest. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Have a good day.